Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Make sure that shipment is cleared by noon.
This batch looks good. Send it through.
We carefully balance the ratios of cocoa, sugar, and milk. This precise mixture is essential for achieving.
Each batch is refined and tested to achieve perfect smoothness and flavor.
Every chocolate bar is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.